everybody, today we're gonna build the One World Trade Center in Minecraft. Starting with the building, we're gonna start with the blocks you'll need. You'll need iron bars, quartz slabs, smooth quartz blocks, blocks of quartz, blocks of coal, cyan glass panes, and cyan stained glass. For starters, you're going to need to build a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 5 square that goes like this. Okay, now this will be the platform for our tower. So fill that in with smooth quartz blocks. Then get your cyan glass and put them on each corner. Make them go up by 5. And in by 1 and repeat until they touch like this. Now continue doing this on both sides until both sides look like that. Okay, so you're going to want to continue building. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to want to do that again on here, like this, on the other sides, like this, so it goes a little inwards like that. Repeat this for both of the other sides. And then, okay, looks, you're gonna wanna do it for both sides. So, okay. Okay, so there we go. It should sort of look like this. Now don't forget the other stuff. You gotta do it on both sides. So it goes like this. Fill that in. That. Put one block hole like in the middle of that. So now for tower, it looks like this. And then continue to build like this. Okay, now it looks like this. Looks pretty good. And now we're gonna do something pretty. Okay, so we're gonna get your glass panes out and fill everything in like this. And do it. Continue to do it all the way up. And yeah, so continue to do this until you reach the top of the tower on all of the 4 sides. Now, hope you enjoy me doing my thing. Now, bye. See you in a little bit. Than expected. Next. Also, enjoy the penguin entertainment. Waddle, 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 waddle. Waddle, 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 waddle. Okay. A second, I'm gonna make it daytime so you can see. Okay. We're halfway there. I'm halfway there. Okay. 2 more to go. 2 more sides to go. Okay. It's looking pretty good. Okay. Cool. Okay, next second. Might take a little while to build this masterpiece of a building. However, it's worth it for your city. It's pretty cool. Okay. Pretty sure. Okay, one more to go. Okay. Sorry if this video is a little long. But it's fine. Okay. So okay, once you've done that, you're gonna wanna make this as its doorway, because you need to be able to enter the building, of course. Looks like you're... And now, these towers here, replace them with stained glass. Stained glass. This is our cyan glass. Cyan beams. Looks good. Now fill the rest with normal stained glass. Cool. Okay. To build now, it's time for the top of the building. Get your coal blocks, place them over the building like this. Actually, never mind, I'm gonna... Deep slate looks better for this. Oh. Okay, so you're gonna get your deep slate. Actually, I don't know. I'm just gonna... Why not just continuous coal? Sorry if you're confused there, it's coal. Okay. Fill the rest of the roof in, and on the edge, put a bunch of iron cars here. And then put some blocks of coal that go up by 5 blocks. Now the building should look like this. It looks pretty complicated, but it's really easy. Now, once you're done that, you're gonna want to put some quartz slabs inside the building every 2 blocks. Up all the way to the top of the building. Like this. So it's 1, 2, just 2 blocks. Not 2, 2.5, just 2. Okay? So you can still fit. Make sure you can fit. At least you can fit here. And repeat doing this all the way to the top. Okay. Okay.
Set the time to 49,000.
Okay. Now your tower should look like this. And you're done. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. And hope this helped make you build the World Trade Center. It's not the best building, however, it's pretty good.